The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. This is where we make memories not only for us but for our friends. We have had over 19 here at a time. They fish, swim, cook out, make s'mores by the fire, camp out and so much more. This is their getaway. Over 1,600 square feet of living area including main floor laundry, master bedroom with new master bath with walk-in jacuzzi tub shower, large dining area, living room, and new man cave. Upstairs has its own bedroom and bath. Decks all around to enjoy wildlife, lake view or the neighbors. Love to garden? Build up growing beds with soil hauled and love to can what you grow? Check out the wall of food. 2-car detached garage and storage shed. I've heard this is the best fishing on the lake. I've pulled out some of the biggest catfish right off the end of my dock. Over 190 of lakefront with sandy beach area. 2 docks, both permitted, swim area, and a great view. Plenty of parking even for the RV with septic water electric hookup.